This is a brief video introducing the time-lapse option on the DynaStick system and how to use it. First things first, we need to store two positions, which will be the time-lapse start and end points. So I shall go into the store screen using the center button and store this position as the start point, and then I shall move the motor 9 turns approximately, because if I set the time lapse for 10 shots, it will take a shot at the start and then move it once, take another shot, move it once, take another shot, so that would be 9 turns of the motor to get 10 shots. So I shall now store that point as point 2. Now I'll, using the center button, move to the time lapse screen. So we've got the interval here, so I can set that anywhere from 2 seconds up to 60 minutes between each shot. So I shall set that at 3. Then I shall use the right arrow to go in the next screen, and I can set my number of shots, which is from 10 shots to 20,000 shots. Now if I want, say, 1050, I can put 50 by using the dial, and then I can use the up arrow to add 1,000 shots at a time, or down arrow to take them away. But I shall set that to 10 shots. Then I can go to the approximate length calculation of the time lapse. At any time I can use the left arrow to go back through my settings if I want to. Now I use the right arrow again to start the time lapse, and it will go to the start point if not already there. And there it is, and it takes, if you can see on the display, there's an F for focus pulse and then an S for the shutter pulse of the camera at each point, with the 3-second delay in between each move. And the stick shows the timer on the top row and the number of remaining shots on the bottom row. And there it is done. And if I ever want to go straight back to the time-lapse functionality, I just press the right arrow and it's straight back to the setup screen.